Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Graphic Lexi Studio. I will show you how you can convert your image into a pencil sketch. I will show you all the process. Making sketch in Photoshop. Make sure carefully watch till the end. Tell me your valuable word in the comment below section. Don't forget to leave like and subscribe. First, press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the layer, then go to the adjustment layer and choose a Hue saturation adjustment layer to reduce the saturation, which will turn the image black and white. Select this image and click Ctrl or Command I to inverse it. Change the blend mode to colored dots to make it completely white. You won't be able to see anything in this image, but don't worry. Go to the filter blur and Gaussian blur. Increase the number of pixels, which will add the sketch effect, which will increase the quantity by roughly 10.0 pixels. I am satisfied with this amount. You may use it as you see fit. Now click OK. Then go to the adjustment layer and make it level change. This image is too much bright, so we will reduce the brightness a little bit by going to the adjustment layer and selecting brightness and contrast. Drop the brightness and increase the contrast. This look okay to me. Next you need to add some texture in this sketch, because you can see in this sketch there is no pencil or paper texture and there is no looking really, so we need to add texture to do this sketch and make sketch as realistic as possible to do that. One, press shift plus control plus alt plus E. If you are using Mac, you need to press shift plus command plus option plus E to merge all the layer into one. It will collect all the sample from the down layer and will merge into one layer. Convert. So select the layer and go to the filter noise, click dust and scratches. Now remove extra black dot. Photoshop is a magically word to turn this image into a pencil sketch. Add some texture to this image to make it appear more realistic. Go to the filter sharpen and smart sharpen option to add extra texture. Change the sharpness. I am satisfied with the degree of sharpening. You can change it in the later. Now click OK. We need to edit the hair to make this hair look like a pencil drawing. Now we'll select the layer, go to the filter, add noise. Now add the noise to the sketch. This is okay. I am using this amount of noise for this sketch. It will add some of the texture in this image, so that's look realistic again. It will merge it into a one layer. Convert this layer into a smart object. Press the right button on your mouse and convert to the smart object. We are going to work non-destructively so that we can adjust it later. The layer and apply the layer mask, then take the brush tool and adjust the foreground color to black, opacity to 100% and flow to 100%. Select the layer, the mask, make the brush a little bigger. You can make the bigger or smaller by pressing the third brackets. Now delete the undescribed area. You may choose between the foreground and background color by pressing X. If you convert the black into a foreground color, it will be removed, and if you change the foreground color to white, it will be added. change the foreground color to white, change the blend mode to any sort of dark, and blend mode look at what's suitable for your sketch we are finishing. We just need to create our pencil sketch effect in Photoshop. Let's see the before and after. This is before one and this is after one. We create perfect pencil sketch effect in Photoshop. This is process of creating a pencil sketch effect in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial help you learn new thing about Photoshop, and don't forget to comment with the most important thing. And I hope like this tutorial. Please leave your thoughts in comment section. If you enjoy what you see in this tutorial, please click and like button. If you didn't yet, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.